Hey guys, so you're welcome back to another episode. In today's video, I'm changing this wig right here. I'm changing it from this to this. So if you want to see how I did this, which is very easy, very affordable, then you should enjoy this video. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is to comb the wig. So you want to make sure your wig is detangled before you start doing anything, whether you're washing or you're doing anything. Detangling your wig is very important, and this is what it looks like after I have combed it. So after combing it, the next thing I'm going to be doing is to trim. So here's one thing about trimming your wig. When it is frizzy at the end, you are supposed to trim, and when it is dry, this is going to make it easy and very easy to slide, slimy, and it's going to make it easy to do whatever you're doing. So that's what I'm doing. So I'm going to comb it out with a small tooth comb, and then I'm going to trim out the excess hair or the frizzy part of the wig. This is optional, guys. You can always skip this part if you do not want to trim your wig, so it is definitely optional. So after trimming it, I went ahead to comb it again. So I'm emphasizing more on the comb because it is important. So next I'm going to be doing is to use my pink oil. You can always use whichever leave-in conditioner you have, or you can just use whichever oil you have. So I'm going to rub it in my hands, and then I'm going to rub it on the wig. So this is going to help soothe the wig before I put it inside the hot water. So in putting it in the hot water, you are supposed to make sure that the water is not so hot. So make sure it is not a boiling water, it is just a hot water, and I'm going to leave it in for 5 minutes. And here it is after 5 minutes, guys. As you can see, the water has changed its color. Well, I like to just do this instead of using a normal shampoo because it's going to make it dry out. So this is definitely my method, guys. As you can see, the water has changed its color. So this is also good when you're washing your wig. Make sure you don't put in too much shampoo on your wig whenever you're washing it. So I'm going to allow it to dry out. So after drying, which is literally I just allowed it air dried. You don't need to put in heat, just like the title suggested. Now I'm going to comb it out. So this is how I curl the hair. So I'm going to take out a fabric, guys. I'm going to take out a fabric, so make sure it is kind of elastic enough at least to draw, and then I'm going to roll it up. So this is what it looks like after it's been rolled. Next, I'm going to be tying it on my mannequin. Okay guys, I'm going to be tying it around my mannequin, just like you're seeing in the illustration. This is how I did my coiling, so you have to pay close attention so you can get every bit of it. So now I'm going to be picking out some hair. I'm going to comb it, and as you can see me, I am wrapping it around the fabric. So I'm wrapping it up, and then I'll pick out the same hair and a few portion of hair again, and then I'm combing it again, and then I'm going to wrap this up again. So I'll keep on doing this till I get to the back. So I find this method very useful because you're not spending any money, you're literally spending nothing, and you're going to get the perfect job which you want to do, which you would have been using with money or buying tools and everything. This is easy to do, and it is very affordable for everyone and anyone. So I'm going to fast forward this so it doesn't bore you guys. So I'm going to move over to the next place, and I'm doing pretty much the same thing I did to the first place. So you just want to comb it, and then guys, you just want to comb it, and then you wrap it around the fabric. So in doing this now, this second part is pretty tricky because it's moving it now, it might just affect the first part, so make sure you're doing it kind of slowly so it doesn't really affect. And guys, it's going to come out pretty beautiful, just like you see in the video. It is definitely what you see in reality. So now I am done with the back, and this is what it looks like. So I'm going to be feeding it from every angle so you see how it looks like, and that is what we have, guys. This is what it should look like. So next I'm going to be doing is to take out my hot water. So I'm going to be applying the hot water in just the curly part of the wig, because that is where we want to be coiled. So you do not need to put water in every part of this, just the coily part where you want to be coiled. And you always have options of opting for your hand dryer or your blow dryer to dry this out. But because I'm going with more affordable stuff and I want to show you guys how it looks like, I just allowed it to air dry, and this is what we have after it's been air dried. So just like I did when I was rolling it up, I'm going to carefully roll it out from the fabric, and you'll be amazed, guys, by what you will see. So here we go, guys. This is it. So I'm going to be applying the conditioner again to the hair, and I'm going to unravel the coils, and it came out pretty good, guys. It came out very, very beautiful. Like, this is amazing, right? Well, I love it, and it's definitely did came out very good. So the next I'm going to be doing is to apply the oil all around the hair, and as I unravel each part of the hair. And this is what it looks like, guys. So beautiful, right? Well, you can always leave it like this if you really want to, but I like to go a little bit extra, so I decided to comb it to get a more uniformed look, and it came out very good too, which is like, guys, so this course is going to last for a long time. So I guarantee it's going to last for up to 3 months if you give it a good maintenance, and you can always do it on your longer hair, your shorter hair, and every other hair. So let me know in the comment section if you are going to be trying this, and do not forget to like this video, guys. It is so beautiful, so beautiful. So the next I'm going to be doing now is to quickly install it on my hair so you can always see what it looks like. But guys, are you liking it so far? Then don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and just make sure you're liking this video for more interesting concepts. So guys, here's a quick note. Before you install any wig, make sure your hair is not packed in ponytail, especially in high bun, because your wig is gonna be looking kind of messy, which is exactly what I have. But thank goodness, guys, I wasn't really going anywhere, so this wasn't really much of a problem. I just wanted to do a quick install so you can always see what it looks like on me, and that is exactly what you got. So this is it, guys. This is the wig. So at this point, I want to say thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.